time. Let me know.
Joe Bags, always putting flames on the beat.
You are. Some they walk and some they chop. Some they walk them no see food. Do your best and leave the rest. Put in work and be the best. See, some they walk and some they chop. Some they walk them no see food. See, do your best and leave the rest. Put in work and be the best. This life.
The walk of life must be laced with an absolute determination to succeed. And while at it, you must realize that the struggles are as real as the successes. So life is therefore an adventure. You must discover it.
So I'm steady chasing goals. All about my mullah, so I'm always on the road. I want to Lambo, so I'm steady on the road. It's like
I like that.
I'm steady on the road.
I like that.
Don't get any but I see friend pose, cause you never really know how you go. Waiting go take you, so I'm steady on my toes. So time to the dengue, time to the pose. Some they walk and some they talk. Some they walk them no see. Do your best and lift it up.
Explore it and learn from it. Everything about adventure, the unending roads, the exciting and unbelievable discoveries, the rough patches, the happy times, and the daily walk of life in pursuit of happiness must never be forgotten. It must have a staying power. You must live it, enjoy it, and embrace it. Ladies and gentlemen, on the streets of Lagos, Nigeria, I present to you my Naija hustle. Na Naija video. My name is Kate Harmony. Have you been on a motorbike before? Motorcycle? Power bike?
No, not power bike. Normal bike, yes. But power bike, not even for $1 million. Will I ride on it?
Yeah,
Even normal bikes. I'm scared of normal bikes.
it's actually cool.
No, but the regular bikes, yeah.
Not at all.
Would you like to do that someday?
Definitely, because I do watch them round, travel from Lagos to Ghana, from Ghana to Togo, from Togo to Ivory Coast on bike. Yes.
No. Why don't you ride?
Friendly.
It's cool, you know. You can just use it to unwind, you know.
I'm not a very adventurous person. So motorcycle and all the craze. No.
Yes, I have. Just once.
Yeah, we have someone. Yeah, I'm so excited. So what was the experience?
It was fun. At the first ride, it was I don't know. I was pretty scared because of the force and the wave. But after the first, the second, it was fun. And yeah.
Would you like to see more adventure stories?
Of course.
We are the guys you should meet. Would you love to be on a motorcycle adventure?
Why not? Why not? If it's not, yeah, I'm gonna love doing that, honestly. Probably at any summer break, you know.
The cycle adventure, like which?
Like motorbikes, like your power bikes.
Power bikes, no.
Would you like to do that someday?
Definitely.
Of course, yeah, very well.
You're not scared?
No, I love adventure.
Yeah. Thank you so much, guys, for hanging out with us on the streets of Lagos on the show, My Naija Hustle. Wow. We've been able to find out so many things about Nigerians, how adventurous we actually are. All right, so if you want to watch the full video, visit our YouTube page, youtube.com/Out of Nigeria. You can also find us on Facebook, facebook.com/Out of Nigeria. You can also find us on Instagram at Out of Nigeria, on Facebook at Out of Nigeria. You see, we are everywhere because life is an adventure. My name is Kate Harmony, and don't stop exploring. Bye.